टाटा नैनो अभी कुचल देती है हमें। सी टाटा नैनो।
चल 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 चल।
और मनाली ट्रिप के ब्लॉग की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। वो हमारी बस खड़ी है उधर एंड बाकी मीडिया के लोग हैं। अराउंड 20 पीपल आर हेयर फॉर दिस एक्टिविटी एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मनाली। वी आर गोइंग टू बेसिकली एक्सपीरियंस द नेचर ओवर देयर। काफ़ी समय हो गया मनाली गए हुए मेरे को, और बाय रोड तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा समय हो गया है। तकरीबन 2 साल पहले मैं गया था बाय रोड इन माई कार, बट दिस टाइम वी आर ट्रैवलिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर वॉल्वो बस। तो अब तक एक्सपीरियंस सही रहा है। रात भर की जर्नी थी। तकरीबन रात को 9 बजे के आसपास हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था और अभी ऑलमोस्ट 6:30 हो रहे हैं। तो 6:30 हो गए हैं एंड वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स मनाली। और अभी थोड़ा 5 से 6 घंटे का ट्रिप और बचा है। आई थिंक 10 से 11 बजे तक हम लोग मनाली जो है पहुँचेंगे। और मौसम तो बहुत बढ़िया हो रहा है। थोड़ा फॉग था पहले, लेकिन अब जैसे जैसे समय ढल रहा है वैसे वैसे जो है अपना लाइट स्पीड बेटर हो रही है। और आई थिंक सन विल ऑल्सो कम एंड देन अगेन एज ऑलवेज यहाँ आके हमेशा अच्छा ही लगता है। हम लोग अभी फ़िलहाल ये न्यू पंजाबी ढाबा के पास में है। आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट द एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन कि ये कहाँ की लोकेशन एग्जैक्टली, हम कहाँ पे हैं, बट वी आर समवेयर इन द middle area or the road basically which takes us to Manali, and that is the Punjabi स्वागत ढाबा करवाया। बट एनीवे तो ठीक है, आप लोगों को अपडेट देते रहेंगे। This is my room for the next 3 days, and again it is a nice place. It is a resort and the view from here is quite amazing. So this is the complete resort. That's one room, that's another room, that is not my room. This is my room over there at the back side, which you can see over there. So, and when it comes to the view is quite amazing, and let me show that to you. So that's the view, you can see that. This is how it looks, and basically this is a mountain where they have done some kind of step farming as well. So you can see that from here you have different other levels which basically go down, and वहाँ पे अलग अलग तरह की farming जो है इन लोगों ने की है. And this is a nice place overall, and there is a college over there as well on that side. I can't show you from here, but again I will show you that later. Cars come here, and if you want to survive then you have to stand on this one. अगर आप इस पे आके खड़े हो सकते हैं तो गाड़ी निकल जाएगी इस रास्ते से, इस लक्ष्मण झूला टाइप ब्रिज पे, और आप बच जाएंगे, आपकी जान बच जाएगी। और फिर आपको मिलेगा ऐसा बढ़िया वाला व्यू, और ऐसा बढ़िया वाला व्यू। कभी हंस भी दिया करो। You are in the vlog. See, this is Gizmo Maniacs. Vivin, the man behind Gizmo Maniacs.
And we went in the Goa event.
हाँ, we were in the Goa vlog अलग है यार, ये अलग है। तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ से गाड़ियाँ जा रही हैं?
It is really scary, yaar. They are crossing and we have to like stand like this and
हाँ राइट
we have to hold the
तो थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में एक गाड़ी आ जाती है एंड देन वी हैव टू स्टैंड ऑन दीज, जितना छोटे से थे तब आप अपने आप को सर्वाइव करा सकते हैं, अदरवाइज तो गए आप।
अक्षय हेयर, आई हैव हाईजैक्ड अभिषेक कैमरा, तो उनके कैमरे से ब्लॉग बना रहा हूँ। वो अपलोड करेंगे नहीं करेंगे पता नहीं। अभिषेक का कैमरा मेरे पास रहेगा, तो ये सारा ब्लॉग अब मैं बनाऊंगा, तो अब आपको मेरे ब्लॉग्स देखने पड़ेंगे अभिषेक की जगह।
एंड आई एम राइट नाउ एट अ नाला विच इज़ कॉल्ड द व्यास नाला, और हम लोग जा रहे हैं रोहतांग पास विच इज़ बेसिकली दोज पोल्स ओवर देयर। आई कैन शो यू वेयर एग्जैक्टली इट इज़। सो रोहतांग पास के रास्ते में हम लोग यहाँ रुके हैं एंड इफ़ यू सी some small poles over there, okay, can you, anyways, so that mountain over there, उस mountain के उस तरफ, the other side basically is Rohtang Pass where we have to go, and we are right now, we have just stopped here for a while to see this particular location, which is the Vyas Nala thing, and we have other people as well of our group जो लोग यहाँ पे हैं, and that is where the complete water gets accumulated and they release it as per they like or as per the need, I believe. So I think we are going to spend another 1 hour, I believe, or maybe more before we reach Rohtang Pass. And before we reach Rohtang Pass, we will have a lot of smudgy, lot of different kind of roads, जिसकी वजह से गाड़ी काफ़ी हिल रही है, and it is kind of a shaky and bumpy ride. But ठीक है, अच्छा लग रहा है and it feels good to be here. And we have Akshay as well over there. See, Akshay is enjoying the Nala ka pani.
Awesome Nala.
Awesome Nala. Yeah. So this is not like Delhi wala Nala. This is यहाँ का साफ वाला. This is, yeah. They call it Nala, but I don't know why. Anyways, so
Small water body flowing.
yeah, this small water body which is flowing basically is, they call it a Nala. Don't go by the word, but yes, that's what it is. Anyways, so we will keep you posted as we go forward, and I will try making more videos so that you guys can see what exactly it feels like to be on a bumpy ride when you go to Rohtang Pass from Kullu. So we are at Rohtang Pass. So guys, what do you feel? Which can basically give you a proof. So that's Rohtang Pass. और यहाँ पे view बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. This is a very nice view, and it is very windy here. Very windy. And I think the temperature is around 10 degrees यहाँ पे. But it feels so nice to be here. मुझे थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है कैमरा को होल्ड करना. I have attached a wide angle lens right now, so I think you should have a better view, and I can give you a more wider view like this. So this is how the view look like. This is so awesome. This is really good. So I can give you a 360-degree view, and maybe I should stop talking. Again, काफी windy है तो noise वगैरह होगा थोड़ा, but that's how it is. It is very nice, very nice. I'm here with some people over there, and we have Akshay over there. Yes, say hi, Akshay.
Finally, I'm here, and
Yes.
hi guys.
So we are the only two tech bloggers who basically have decided to come here, and we have finally reached Rohtang Pass.
And this was the best decision.
This was the best
our hands are literally freezing right now. It's really windy and cold
Right.
here.
Right.
But yes, we are enjoying right now, and we will go up there.
Yeah,
We'll try to track up to
we
that
will,
point.
We will try to track up to that particular point,
And
we will record it so that you guys get to know how does it feel like to basically climb from this height, even which is like I think the highest height right
on
now.
13,000 feet.
Your name, what do you do?
It's interesting enough. I know.
So you have to say your name at least.
That's what I said.
Okay, Lisha. So anyone who recognized Lisha, please let me know through the comment section. Okay, because she said that her name is enough. So let's see how many people actually know her.
It's interesting. Not that my name is enough.
Let's see how many people actually know Lisha. Okay, so if you guys know Lisha, let us know.
I know.
Okay.
Hi guys, and this is the top part where I can climb Rohtang Pass pe, which is the top part, and also it has a very nice view over there at the back side if you can see that, which is very good. And शायद मेरा ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं होगा at this point of height, थोड़ा सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है, and it is very windy, but it feels so great to be here. That's what I can say is the best feeling which you get. And बहुत ज़्यादा zoom नहीं हो रहा, but that part over there, it looks awesome. So guys, all those people who were asking for the view, and sorry for the background noise, this is how the view looked like from the resort where I was for 3 days, and this is the third day and we are leaving today. This thing which you see over there, this is a solar water heater. Again, over here they try to have this so that you can have warm water at any point of time, which is very good. And this is the system which they have applied. So overall, it was a very wonderful experience here in Kulu with this kind of a view at this resort. दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द व्लॉग. बहुत बढ़िया समय रहा यहाँ पे ला रिसोर्ट पे हेयर इन कुल्लू, एंड इट वाज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस आई वुड से. रोहतांग गए हम लोग और बहुत इधर उधर घूमते रहे, एंड वी वेंट टू द रिवर प्लेस एज वेल. तो अच्छा लग रहा है अब वापस घर जाते हुए, लेकिन अच्छा इसलिए भी नहीं लग रहा है क्योंकि वापस जाना पड़ रहा है. तो इट वाज एन ऑसम प्लेस, और यहाँ का जो स्टाफ था, इट वाज दे वर वेरी हेल्पफुल, एंड दे वर वेरी रेडी टू बेसिकली फुलफिल योर रिक्वायरमेंट, चाहे आपको जो भी चाहिए खाने में या एनीथिंग एल्स विच यू नीड. सो वेरी नाइस प्लेस, great view, and I had a great time. And I have my luggage right now which I'm dragging towards the bus, which if they're on the road, this particular place is slightly off the road. You have to basically come down to this point, and then that's how it is. So we actually came in a car, but now I'm basically going like this, because I think if I don't go like this, if I go in a car, I won't be able to experience what these people actually here experience. So I think that is very much important when you come here. तो अच्छा लगता है यहाँ के लोगों के हिसाब से काम करना. And again, as I say, I will be coming up with more vlogs. I hope you guys like this particular vlog, and I will keep coming with more. This one has a lot of good stuff as per me. I hope you guys liked it, but yes, these vlogs will keep coming, and I will do my level best to provide you the best level of footage. So I'm trying to basically climb from the resort place to the road, which is over there. Okay, and I do have a heavy bag, my gadget bag, this small suitcase, which is also feeling heavy. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. Anyways, so guys, stay tuned and I will keep coming up with more vlogs. Bye bye for now. Take care.